In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter in Excel by name. Start by launching Excel on your device. Look for the green Excel icon, then open it with a single click. After a moment, you should see the main Excel start screen with recent files listed on the left and template options on the right. If Excel was already open, you will stay in your last workbook, which is fine as long as it is the file you want to work with. Now open an existing book. Click on the workbook that contains the list of names you want to filter. If you are on the start screen, you can choose it from the recent files list or browse to its folder and open it. Once the workbook appears, confirm you are on the sheet with your name list and that the names are arranged in a clear column, usually with a header such as name at the top. Next, click any cell inside your data table. Pick a cell that is within the block of data that includes your names, not an empty cell far away. For example, click one of the name cells or another column in the same table. This tells Excel which range belongs together when you turn on filters. You should see a bold outline around the cell you clicked. From there, go to the Data tab on the top ribbon. Look along the top of Excel for the set of words like Home, Insert, and Page Layout. Click Data to switch to that tab. The ribbon below will change and you will see groups such as Get and Transform, Sort and Filter, and Data Tools. The Sort and Filter group is where the filter controls live. Next up, click the large filter button, the one with the funnel icon. It sits in the Sort and Filter group on the Data tab. When you click it, Excel adds small drop-down arrows to the header cells of your table, including the name column header. If you do not see arrows, double-check that you clicked a cell inside the data before pressing Filter. At this point, click the drop-down arrow on your name column header. This arrow is on the top cell that labels your names, such as name. Clicking it opens a filter menu. The menu shows a search box near the top and a list of all unique names below it with checkboxes. If your list is long, the menu might need a moment to populate. With the menu open, click inside the search box. Your cursor will appear in that small field near the top of the filter menu. This tells Excel that what you type next should be used to limit which names are shown in the list below. The list of checkboxes will start updating as you type. Finally, type the exact name or partial name you want to find, then click OK. As you type, the list below the search box narrows to matching names, including partial matches like the same first few letters. When you click OK, the filter menu closes and your worksheet now shows only the rows where the name column matches what you searched for. You have now learned how to filter your Excel data by any name you choose, so if this helped you tidy your list, please give a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe for more quick Excel guides.